Hello, good morning, dear students. So, I hope that you would be fit and fine at your home. So, yesterday we started tenses and we discussed the first type, the present indefinite tense. So, today we are going to continue the present continuous tense. Okay, so let's understand what is present continuous. To describe an action that is happening now means ਉਹ action ਜੋ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking means ਹੁਣ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Okay, at the time of speaking. Okay, so the first example, the boys are playing cricket now. Okay, so playing is the action which is happening now. Okay, so boys are playing cricket now. Look there, the man is beating the child. So you can assume here that action is going on. The man is beating the child. So one note, the present continuous tense draws attention to the continuity of the action. So its main purpose is just to show us the continuity of the action. It is usually associated with adverbs or adverb phrases of present time such as now, at this moment, at present, etc. Okay, so you normally get a paragraph of tenses, okay, in which you have to fill it with blanks. Okay, so they do not mention any kind of tense type, so you have to identify yourself only. Okay, so here you can find the adverbs if there is now in the sentence, if there is at this moment, if there is at present, so you should understand that it is present continuous tense. Okay, so next point is to describe an action going on over a period of time, including the present, but may not be going on the time of speaking. मीनस कुछ ऐसे एक्शन जेडे कि कंटिन्यूटी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਹਾਂ is may not be going on at the time of the speaking. मीनस immediate present ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, मीनस normally ਉਹ continuity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ. So hope so this example will help you to understand. So I am learning French. मैं French ਸਿੱਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. ਓਕੇ, these days means ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Continuity ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ here according to this point not at the time of speaking. Okay, means ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ process. Okay, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Nowadays ਮੋਹਨ is working in a factory. ਮੋਹਨ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਇਸ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਮੋਹਨ ਐਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ nowadays ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Okay, so take care of this thing. To describe an action which is going to take place in the future means ਇੱਕ ਐਸਾ action ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ future ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. Wait, we are just coming. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, means ਉਹ ਹਜੇ ਆਏ ਨਹੀਂ. ठीक है, they are just coming means we are about to come. Okay, means the action हजे शुरू होना. Okay, near future. I am leaving for Bangalore tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow it. Okay, so here continuous tense near future ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ depict ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ help ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾ. Next week she is inviting all her friends to her birthday party. Okay, means party ਹਜੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ next week ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ. Okay, means near future. Okay, so ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ near future depict ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ present continuous ਆਪਣੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ help ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. So one note is here. Okay, so listen carefully. Some verbs due to their meanings. कुछ verbs अपने meanings ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ are not normally used in continuous form. Okay, ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ verbs ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਵਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ meaning ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ continuity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ use ਕਰਦੇ. So verb of sense means ਉਹ verbs ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ senses ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ senses ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ 6 senses ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਵਾ 5 senses sorry. Okay, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਆ depict ਕਰਨ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ describe ਕਰਨ. See, you can't say I am seeing. Okay, so I see a bird, you will not say I am seeing a bird. Okay, so same is here, smell. Okay, so such kind of verbs you can't use, okay, with ing. Okay, so normally we do not say as the example is given. Okay, we say I see a bird. So next situation is verbs expressing feeling or state of mind. Okay, so such love, hate, wish, hope, forgive, etc. So these verbs, it shows our feelings or state of mind. So we do not say I am loving you, we say I love you. Okay, we do not say I am hating you, we say I hate you. Okay, so next is verbs of thinking or some mental activity. Think, remember, believe, know, understand. Okay, so I understand you. You can't say that I am understanding you. I imagine, not I am imagining. Okay, so verbs of possession. Possession you already know. Okay, in the earlier lectures, okay, this word is explained, was explained to you. Okay, so possession means the ownership, possesses something which you have, which belongs to you, own, belong. Okay, etc. Some other verbs appear, seen, look, etc. Okay, so in some cases, okay, we do not use ing with these verbs. Okay, so it was present continuous. So our next tense is present perfect tense. Okay, so to indicate that an action has been completed, finished or done just now, near the present time, or a little time back, so in the immediate past. So something which completed, finished, perfect means complete, finished in the present time. So such situation you can express with the help of present perfect tense. Okay, so this diagram will help you. So this is the line of time. Okay, so it is divided. So this side, okay, at the right, present time is there. Okay, so left, past time is there. Okay, so when you can use, so you can see here the action has been completed, so action finished in the little time back, it is near to present, it is near to present. So such kind of action you can explain, okay, with the help of present perfect tense. Okay, I have finished the painting just now, so this is the present time going on. Okay, so painting finished here, so you can say I have finished the painting just now. Grandmother had just written a letter. Okay, so hope so that this diagram will help you. The term present perfect gives the idea of both present and perfect. So present plus perfect. Perfect gives the idea that somebody has already completed, finished or done the work. The present gives the idea that work has been completed near the present time just now, and therefore the connection with the present time is indicated. Okay, indicate means sanket dena by has or have, and not had. Had we used in past. Okay, so in present we use just has and have only. Has we use with the singular verbs, sorry, singular subjects, and have we use with the plurals. Okay, so second point is to indicate that the action has taken place sometime in the past. So here, but one thing, it may be long time back, but the action so completed has it affects in the present time। ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਐਟ ਦਿਸ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ, ਪਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ। ਮੀਨਸ ਕੋਈ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੌਂਗ ਬੈਕ ਪਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ, ਪਰ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, Ajay has eaten all the biscuits. Therefore nothing is left to give you now. ਹੁਣ ਅਜੇ ਨੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਬਿਸਕਿਟ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖਾਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਪਰ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਨਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਲੈਫਟ ਟੂ ਗਿਵ ਯੂ ਨਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਡਿਪਿਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਡਨ ਮਾਈ ਵਰਕ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਨਾਓ ਓਕੇ ਮੀਨਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਆ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕਿ 1 ਵੀਕ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ ठीक है सो ਉਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹੋ okay so here this example this diagram will help you okay to understand so action finished here okay so this is the past time this is the present time so here you can feel the effect so to indicate third point is the action began at some time in the past but is continuing up to the present time of speaking ठीक है मीन्स कोई एक्शन किया पास्ट ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਹਾਂ ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਕੀਆ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ okay you might be thinking it is present perfect continuous okay but it is not that okay so he has lived here for 10 years so there are little bit similarities between this condition and the condition of present perfect continuous okay so when we will discuss present perfect continuous so that time I will try to clear so it is almost same so he has lived here for 10 years means he still lives here ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ 3 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ okay not ਰਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤੋਂ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ okay so he still lives here we have known each other for 10 years ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਆ 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੀਨਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਆ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ Rajiv has been ill since yesterday ठीक है so कल तो बीमार है he is still ill so here past time and present time action began in the past still continuing in the present time okay so this diagram will help you to understand so one note is here since used in the present perfect to show the verb takes effect from the specific event okay means from the particular time since we use for the fixed time means for the point of time okay in the past until now example I have known him since 1990 okay so for used for this in this way refers to a period of time so keep in mind it is for the point of time means fixed time and it is the period of time so this is the point so this is the period okay so it shows the period for shows the period and since shows the point I have known him for 15 years so we do not know that which 15 years they are talking about to describe a past action the time of which is neither indicated nor definite okay means such action of the past okay of which is neither indicated means not giving us any signal or it is not clear he has helped me several times ठीक है ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਇੰਡੀਕੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਓਕੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ that how he has helped what was the help he has helped me several times Sita and Savitri have been to Los Angeles okay have you seen a ghost ठीक है so action किया past ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ किया ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ठीक है so it is having connection with present also okay ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੰਡੀਕੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ then to describe an action which has not been completed ठीक है, कोई ऐसा एक्शन जेड़ा कि अजे तक कंप्लीट नहीं होया। वाई हैव यू नॉट डन द वर्क येट, he has not met me so far. So in such situation you can use present perfect tense. So here present perfect tense is never used with adverbs of the past। ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ present perfect tense yesterday ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ present perfect ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ past ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ present ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ। ਅਗਰ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ yesterday ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਕੀ ਆ past ਬਣ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ present नहीं रहेगा। So this is the reason, okay। So by putting yesterday, okay, you can just show the past action, so there would be no connection with the present। if it has no connection with the present, so you can't say that it is present perfect, therefore instead of the verb of present perfect has gone, a verb of past tense went should be used in the sentence। if you want to make it purely of the past tense, you can use went there, okay। So he went to Delhi yesterday, okay। So if present perfect has gone to be used, the adverb yesterday has to be left out। So means if you want to say he has gone Delhi, so you can't use yesterday, or if you want to use went, then you can use here yesterday। So I hope so that, okay, this information will help you, okay, to determine that in which situation you can use present perfect tense and present continuous tense। So tomorrow we will discuss the last portion of this tense, that is the present perfect continuous, okay। So the exercise related to this, okay, is uploaded over your smart study app, and one application to open a saving account in the bank, okay, that is also uploaded। So it is request to all of you, okay, to make the notes, okay। So it is the end of the lecture now, so thank you and have a nice day।